Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video on this paint here, which is used on a Chrysler 300 1966 for the engine, which is a 383. I'm going to insert a photo now of what it looks like with this painted on there, and you could see, hopefully in the photo, that it matches the original engine color pretty well. As you can see in the photo, this color here, which is more of a green, doesn't really match the color that is actually applied to the engine. I just want to make a quick video if you're wanting to paint the original style of color on the 383 motor from the 60s and 70s. I wanted to show this can right here, and let's see, it's on the back. This is a DE1618 Detroit Diesel Alpine Green. Again, like I said, on the car it comes out more of a bluish color instead of this green, but surprisingly I picked this up and it's actually a really good match to Chrysler 1966 383 motor. Just wanted to make a quick video on this so anybody could be informed on a color you could pick up from the store, and this was only like $12 that would match that style motor. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.